So sugar plays a very important role in tenderizing baked goods in particular. In the United States, most of the cakes that we eat are high ratio cakes. The amount of sugar or the percentage of sugar, it's higher than the percentage of flour in the cake. The higher the percentage of sugar, you are able to create a tender cake. And another thing that sugar does is that prevents gluten from forming. It competes for the water with gluten, and you need water for gluten formation. So sugar takes all the water, says no gluten, not you. So the cake turns out very, very tender because of that. With tenderizing comes texture. In turbinado, if you add it as a topping, it provides texture. It's a fuller, more pleasant mouthfeel.